Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101 and today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal for the week of April 17th through the 23rd. Let me pull out those pages. Okay, so this planner is called La Fleur. It is a classic size happy planner. As you can see, I bend my planner. Sometimes that happens. I printed some images from Etsy and made them into stickers that I purchased, and we're going to be creating kind of a bookwormish spread. So bear with me, it's going to be a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun little things in this one. So first and foremost, I'm going to take this big bookcase because I love it. I'm going to stick it right here. Before I do, let me remove this quote. Okay, now I can stick this beautiful bookcase with plants on it, like so. I did pull out the book from Mojo Jojo called Jewel Tone. It has these really beautiful browns that match this, and I figured that like that. I figured that I could use that. And then these greens match as well. So those are the things that I wanted to incorporate. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out this beautiful journaling box up here. And I'm going to stick it, well, maybe up here on the weekend. And I just wanted to do like a fun bookworm spread. Let's see, I have a lot of pages that I really like. I have some girls, I have some little places that I'm going to be working on. Okay, how about I take this little girl. Actually, I want one facing this way, so I'm gonna grab her and I'm just gonna layer her on top of the box like this. Okay, I think that looks good. I can take another box that's brown and do a similar thing on the other side. Let me know what you guys think about this. Obviously, a little bit different this time. So you let me know what you think. Actually, let me do it up here. So then I can open the sidebar for like a bigger element. So I think I'm gonna use this. I guess that one is not cut for some reason. Anyway, I'm gonna use one of these like seams. And I think that might be cute. Let's see. What have I used? This darker one up here. Look how adorable this is. I love it. Okay. That's good. Then I'm going to do another reading place. No, that doesn't work. Okay. This bubble might work though. Look how pretty this is. So I'm just going to stick it right up here, a little bubble like that. Yeah, I think that works pretty well. Then I'm going to stick this guy kind of on top of all of this, like this. I'm going to put her back. Yeah, I think this bookworm spread is going to be so adorable. Okay. And then I'm going to add this little girl in my sidebar. She's reading. She's enjoying herself. And I can add some more boxes and kind of fun elements. So I have all of these like books and stuff that I can decorate. Like, what if I did this? I think that works. Okay. I need more boxes. I'm gonna add a green box. I'm gonna play with a little bit of layering up here. So bear with me, but in general, I think this is gonna be such a fun spread. So can't wait to show you guys. Okay, maybe I can loop this like that on a Monday. And then kind of overlap this on that day. Except it's not straight. Okay. Let's try this again. Gently. Okay. Let's see. Okay, better. And then I can put something up there. And now I can do the same thing with the browns on the other side. I can add actually this is what I can do. I can add that and then I can add this kind of lapping both of them. How about that? Yeah, that's a little different. I like it. Okay. I think I do want like a full box for journaling up here. So I'm gonna do that one more time. Full box. And then I can overlap another box up there. Or add some kind of like beautiful thing, maybe. Let's see. What if I did that? I think that's okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a very small room up here, like a little scene. Yeah, let me see what else I can add. Yeah, I'm really liking this a lot. Oh, these are different type of books. I can add them maybe on a corner up here and then I can journal around it like so. I think that's good. And then what I'm gonna do is grab one of my narrative hues. I don't know if I have browns. Maybe in here. Let's take a look. Because if there's these deep greens or browns, I would like to use them in here and kind of make, maybe this will work. And this will work with this. So these are kind of fun. I just want to see if there's more. Oh, there's this too. Yeah, I think this and this. Ooh, this palette is actually going to work completely. So I'm gonna add some of these so I can just write in things that I want to write in. So let's put this one right here, a little cloud. This like orange brown is also cool. Let's add that to Monday. And maybe add that to here. Okay. And then I can do this where I'm gonna add this little strip and I can put the title up there. And up here, that little strip will go on the bottom of this. Okay, so I think I did quite good with the spread. I don't know if I can put like a quote up here. Let me see, because I have this bookworm book. Like these colors don't necessarily match, so that doesn't work. But let me see if I can get these black quotes from Amber Plants for a Day. Let's see if maybe there's something I can just stick on here. No bad days. The best is yet to be. Think positive. Let's see. Ooh, my hair's all over. Okay, let's see. Create, no, planners. So these are planner stickers, fall, snow, spring. And summer. Okay. Maybe I can do this throw kindness as your confetti. Let's see. Okay, that works. And I am all done. So this was a super quick one. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.